Niguo kunyihanyihia mathina ma wagi wa mawira kuri mbeũ njithi, President Uhuru ni anyitanire na mbeũ njithi kuma kaunti-ini ciothe cia bururi kaunti-ini ya Kisii, akimerera ati thirikari yake ni haturite gutigirira ni agitira andu ethi kumana na wagi wa mawira.
Working together with development partners and private sector, we aim under this initiative to strengthen capacity of our youth in science, technology and innovation, so as to create a culture of creativity, entrepreneurship and innovativeness amongst them.
Ihinda-ini riu President ni oritie andu ethi kwiyumiria na guteithiriria thirikari kwiyumiria na kurua na ndamathia ya ungumania.
Vijana, nyinyi muwe mstari wa mbele. Mukiona hata kama ni baba yako, wewe sitaki yeye, useme sisi hatutaki mambo ya ufisadi katika dunia yetu. Hata kama ni polisi na muone, mushike mpeleke polisi. Hata kama ni MCA, mushike mpeleke kwa polisi. Hata kama ni MP, munaona anatumia pesa ya CDF vibaya na munaona anatumia, shika peleka kwa polisi.
Thukuru cia kothi cia moko ni mwa maundu maria President oigite ukwamba gucokio niguo gutigirira gutiri mundu mwithi worirwo ni mathomo.
And is in the process of constructing 70 technical and vocational training, vocational education and training institutions with a capacity to admit 350,000 students after completion.
Thank you sincerely for being a champion in addressing youth agenda. I wish to assure you, Your Excellency, the commitment of prudent use of resources in supporting and fulfilling the mandate of the youth throughout this country.
Oho oigite ni gukugathikwo mitaratara ya gutigirira murutwo wothe warikia mathomo ma university na college ni aririhagwo riria aheo mweke wa internship makambuni-ini matiganite.
I am pleased to say that the internship program in all government ministries and agencies has now been incorporated as a performance contract deliverable.
Anake ayana airetu ni magiire na mweke wa gwiturura mathina maria maramagumira.
And now that you're initiating water and irrigation as part of the programs, who will be maintaining those machines? Who will be training others? It's the youth, you know? So we need to start activating these innovations, and I'm actually willing to champion and be there and make sure that we are actually advancing these technologies such as MFAM, creating transparency, price information, having farmers aggregating and trading with the markets directly.
Kama unaweza eka hiyo energy kutusaidia kupigana na madawa za kulevya, sisi tutashukuru sana Your Excellency, kwa sababu our society, especially young people, wanaharibiwa na hizi madawa za kulevya, and the people who are doing it, we all know, wanaifanya tu vile hao wanafanya corruption wakifanya.
President Uhuru ni athingatite honge ciothe cia thirikari kuhe gicunjĩ kia 30 kia mawira na kandarathi cia thirikari kuri andu ethi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.